our Honorable Chief Guest in the Union Minister for Railways, Government of India, Amit Patel, President of FGI, my colleague Anish, immediate past person Geeta Ben, sponsors of the FGI Awards, members of the jury, distinguished invitees, members of Federation, members of media, ladies and gentlemen. It's a matter of great privilege to perform the task of introducing our chief guest. An extraordinary accomplishment to his credit. I would like to narrate a few of accomplishments of him. At this stage, I recall that FGI is fortunate to have enduring cordial connectivity with Mr. Prabhu, as he has graced two flagship events in the past as Chief Guest of the National Electrical Summit in 2010 and 12, as the then Honorable Union Minister for Power. Mr. Prabhu was born on 11 July 1953. By qualification, he is Fellow of Chartered Accountancy with the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. He is a law graduate from the Law College of Mumbai. Currently, he is Honorable Union Minister of Railways since November 2014 and represents Haryana in Upper House of Indian Parliament from Bharatiya Janata Party. He is part of 8 ministers working on special projects and has challenges like speed trains, modernizing the railway and railway stations, signalling system, engines and tracks. He is looking for new technologies in every sector from China, Japan, Germany and France. He has to also work on metro trains in 50 cities. He has illustrious political career. He was cabinet minister in the previous NDA government and 4 times MP of the Lok Sabha from Rajpur constituency in Maharashtra. Union Minister for Industries in 1996, Union Minister for Environment and Forests in 1988, Union Minister for Fertilizer and Chemicals in 1999, and Union Minister for Power with additional charge of heavy industries and public enterprise during 2000 to 2002. He was the first chairperson of the task force for interlinking of rivers. He was also chairperson of the Council of Energy, Environment and Water, and a member of the Global Advisory Council of the World Economic Forum during 2007 to 2009. He was owning the Chartered Accountancy firm before he joined politics in 1996. He was chairman and the director of the Saraswat Bank, one of the largest urban cooperative banks in India, connected with over 150 NGOs and with many companies in corporate world also. He has published papers on a variety of subjects in economics, sociology and taxation. Although Sri Prabhu has many other achievements to his credit, I would like to conclude mentioning that he has often been described by many of the horizon of India public life armed with education, ability, understanding and high integrity, and as a person who has delivered milestones. I am glad to introduce our Railway Minister and Chief Guest of the evening, Sri Suresh Bhai Prabhu. Thank you.